3 times with Invisalign left me with an overbite and left me with my molars and my other teeth in my back pushed forward. So then I was missing a whole lot of empty space in the back, so it was much harder to, you know, chew my food and to talk. I kept trying to fix my jaw position and, you know, wear rubber bands and stuff like that, and it wouldn't work. And they suggested I go to a doctor and get, you know, jaw surgery or either go through normal braces, but, you know, most of that stuff was like 50-50. Through an ad through YouTube overnight, I saw Face Lift Dentistry and I figured out that it would possibly be the best idea for everyone to fix my jaw position. So after being recommended braces and, you know, possibly doing jaw surgery, you can see, you know, it only took a day and a half to fix everything. I can tell that I'm sleeping a whole lot better. There's a whole lot less stress on my jaw. The thing I like about my teeth is that they're much bigger now, so it's easier to chew down on my food. They're a lot wider and bigger, so my smile can glow. And I'd just like to thank the staff and everyone here at Dr. Muslim's office. They've been great and just helped me out, and, you know, any questions or concerns that I've had, I mean, they've been able to address it, and it's been great.